Reporter Vanessa Puna has been covering proceedings for us. Vanessa, despite being cut short this morning, proceedings featured some dramatic new evidence.
Yes, it was indeed a dramatic day this morning when Anni Dewani broke down in tears in the dock when CCTV footage of himself and his wife Annie was shown, taken from the Cape Grace Hotel. That would be on the Friday evening when they arrived in Cape Town on their honeymoon. In this footage, we saw Anni and Annie walking hand in hand, sometimes cuddling, and also other footage where they were posing for pictures to be taken, where they were kissing and hugging, and they really appeared to be happy in this video footage. This proved too much for Anni Dewani, who broke down and cried, and as did his father Prakash. This footage was shown to Captain Paul Hendrickse, the investigating officer, who was called back to the witness stand today by the defence after yesterday indicating that they had no further cross-examination for him. Captain Hendrickse was grilled by the defence for, among others, his impartiality in the matter, and also for allegedly having made a Facebook post on his Facebook account relating to the Mental Health Act and also to the criminal justice system. And this was during the time of Anni Dewani's extradition battle to South Africa. Then very interesting, what happened in court today was Judge Jeanette Traverso really wrapping the state over the knuckles when they asked for a postponement till Friday to call a new expert witness to testify about the results of a primer residue which was found on a yellow glove which was used by one of the hitmen, Zomadoda Kwabe. These results were not made available during the trial of Xolile Mngeni. So the judge really just lashed the state really for saying that they've had 4 years within which to complete the investigation. Now, joining me in studio today is Defence Attorney Milton de la Harp just to speak to me on what exactly happened and why the judge would be angered so about this call for a postponement. Milton, good afternoon to you. Just Judge Jeanette Traverso made it very clear to the court today that she's not happy at all with the state, with the way this investigation is still at this stage. She says it looks as though the state is still scurrying around for witnesses. Just your view, what do you make of her anger and disappointment in this matter?
Well, I completely agree with the judge and the sentiments in this matter. The state has wasted the whole day. The matter has now been postponed. Understand that no witness statements has been taken from this witness, and it might still lead to further delays in the matter due to the fact that the defence will have the opportunity now to scrutinise this evidence, and they might ask for a postponement to prepare themselves.
So there won't be any court proceedings tomorrow because the families have requested the day off to observe the 4th anniversary of Anni Dewani's death. Thank you very much to you, Mr. de la Harp. We will be back in court again on Friday when the state will call the new expert witness.
So thank you very much. That's Vanessa Puna coming to us live from our Sea Point studios in Cape Town.